welcome to Chitchat with
KS. I'm K.
and I'm S. Today we're gonna review just the two. I haven't put it on mine.
The two Louis Vuitton bracelet that she got the other days.
This is part of the gift from my husband that I chose for myself. He just paid for it with his credit card and he wasn't there. But anyway, this is the two that I chose. This is the historic. I think it's $315 in Canada. It's one of the cheapest one they have in the bracelet. And this is the, I think it's the Fasten your belt or something. Fasten, something like that. I couldn't remember. Maybe you'll just put a picture.
Yeah.
What is it called? This one is, I can't remember what's the price. It's not that bad either.
I'll put it on.
This is really cute too. So I actually, we're gonna put some picture of the other one that I tried.
Sure.
I actually don't like those dangling one. The dangling is kind of like very hard to put on when you try to put on yourself. You need someone to put on for you, and then every time it kind of dangle and it get bangs easily, in my opinion, and then it gets scratches. You don't want your hardware to get scratched. I feel this is really cute.
Do they have sizes?
Yes, this is the smallest they have.
Ugh.
This is 17. And they have one for the 19. So basically, I feel like this is what in their website they always show like how you layer.
Yeah.
You can wear your watch.
They like put everything.
Yeah, I know. I feel like this is enough. Just like if you want to wear something simple like a dress shirt, like a white dress shirt, and just wear something like that, and then with your watch, that's cute enough. You don't want to be too much to wear in your face. I feel. There's other one that I kind of like, the Daily Confidential with the half monogram and half leather, but that one is kind of too round. I don't really like the round look. I like the flat one. So like this one is kind of like flat. It's like a flat one instead of the round version. We're gonna show a picture of me wearing it, and this one is flat too. And you can actually like layer both, I guess. Do you want to show them how you wear this one? So basically this one is really easy. You can even wear yourself. It's very cute. It's just like magnetic. You just put through it, and then there's a hole, and just boom. It's easily wear by one person compared to the other one like with a charm.
This one too. This one
is so easy. You can actually like just layer the two together. It's not that much too, I feel, but her hand is too small. So it's like look a little much. Maybe I have to wear
falling down from.
Yeah, for me I think this hand is bigger. Let's try this hand. So I feel personally I would just wear by itself. I feel like wear two together is a little much. I just want to wear this one by itself. I feel this is...
And because they're quite similar, they're both monogram
Yeah.
and with like a little gold stuff there.
Yeah, depends. Like some people like to layer it like 2, 3 in their website. They like layer like 3 bracelets together. I feel there's too much monogram. I like it as just something simple, not too much. I feel this is very easy for you to put on and take off by yourself. Of course, when you're trying to say it's easy and it's not easy.
You're off camera, not really showing.
Sorry? Oh, yeah. Okay. Usually I put the other hand, so it's kind of hard to do it with this. So it's like that.
Yeah,
so
but after some practices, you can do it yourself, no problem.
Basically, I think for me, wearing this hand is easier, I feel, this side. It's kind of hard to show on the camera while wearing. See, this one is just like that, wear by yourself. The other one with the charm is so hard to wear. You have to use to, let's see, like that, easy. That's everything.
Okay, that's everything.
Bye-bye.
Well, I'll see you in the next video.
You want to say bye-bye, Fantuan? Bye-bye. Almost a facial. Need to do smiley face.